You know what it is, Steph Curry with the pop boy. I just realized I used that Drake joke way too early. Like, I've got 3 other shoes in this pack, and I gotta come up with some new things for every single one now. Damn. What's going on, everybody? My name is John. You're watching Soul Post, and this is another Soul Post unboxing. Today we take a look at the Atmos Nike Air Max 1 Red Curry. Now, the Atmos Air Max 1 Curry was first released in the yellow and brownish colorway. And it was rumored for basically the whole year that they were going to bring back that shoe this year, the original colorway. And they are. But in addition to that, they're also releasing this colorway and the green colorway, which will be coming up a little bit later. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard red Nike box. And the colorway is Tough Red, Mushroom, and Rush Red. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a red and brown upper with quite a few materials for the upper. You got a suede Tough Red toe box with the mushroom toe cap, and this is mesh. Taking a look at the tongue, you've got mushroom laces as well as a mushroom mesh tongue with the brown colorway on the tongue tag as well. You got a red insole with a white Nike logo. Moving towards the heel, you got the Tough Red suede, and you got a softer Rush Red for the overlay panel, as well as the mushroom Nike swoosh. On the heel, you got a Tough Red heel with the white Nike swoosh and the mushroom mesh for the back tab. The lateral is the same as the medial, so you've got the Rush Red panel, the mushroom mesh, the Tough Red suede, and the mushroom Nike logo. You got a white midsole with the semi-exposed air unit and the black outsole. Overall, out of the 3 colorways, this is actually my favorite by far. The suede on the shoe kind of reminds me of the Patapara Air Max 1. I don't know, it's such a dope colorway to me. I do enjoy the other 2 colorways. I think this one is just far and away my favorite. Quality-wise, the more burgundy-ish Tough Red is a more firm suede. And the rest of the shoe is a solid built shoe, so it's nothing really to complain about. I don't have really any qualms about the shoe. And yeah, if you can find this pair, you definitely should pick this one up. Now let's get some details of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Atmos Air Max 1 Red Curry hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on May 10th for a retail price of $150. Alright everyone, this has been another Soul Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Soul Post channel. Check out soulpost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Soul Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.